Reporting on duty. Bongret is here. Hi everyone. Welcome to Trade with Bongret. My name is Bongret Solomon, and again we are here again to analyze the Bitcoin market on this beautiful Friday morning. Today is the 10th day. Am I right? Yeah. Today is the 10th day of July 2026. So on there, if you remember yesterday when we are doing analysis, if you watch our analysis yesterday, I told you Bitcoin was around this place. Yeah. I told you that Bitcoin is likely coming to do something like this. If you remember, I told you that Bitcoin is coming to form a pattern here. So if you did not enter a buy position yesterday on Bitcoin, then there is no need to chase the candle now. Okay, so if you see this thing I just marked now, this pattern, Bitcoin have to take the high of 64,700 today, possibly, then reject into this zone as well, so that we can short from tomorrow. Okay, so at a stance now, if you are not holding a long position, a buy position, you just have to watch the market and see how market reacts when market get to this zone. If market should close above it, then no need to start looking for short. Okay, rather you start looking for a pullback, then to continue the upward. But if market take out this liquidity here and then reject inside, then tomorrow, which is Saturday, we are authorized to short the market. It's just as simple as that. So let's see what market did yesterday. So this is the low of BTC yesterday at 61,600, and look at the high. The high was at what? Yeah, 63,400. And currently today, look at this is today's daily candle, right? So this candle now is gearing up to go and take liquidity, so that the pattern that Bitcoin want to form here, if this candle should close so bullishly, maybe take this liquidity and then reject inside in a green note, then here tomorrow being Saturday, you can expect a downward movement for the weekend and into Sunday before we can continue the upward movement. So there's a pattern trying to form here, which is double bottom. I stated it clearly yesterday, and you can see market is respecting that pattern. This is the first bottom, sorry, the first top. Yeah, double top, not double bottom. This is the first top that have formed already. So market is likely coming to form the second top here. So you see this rejection that happened here, taking this liquidity, then closing inside. The same thing is what you should expect from market today. Okay, so if you're not on a buy position, don't chase candle. Observe and watch what happens when market get to the zone. See how clearly I stated it. So let's go to the what do we call it, first 4 hours candle of the Asian market and see what price is saying. So if you can see, yeah, so on the 4 hours you can see what you should be expecting as well for today. Okay, this candle is closing so bullishly here, right? So expect the next 4 hours candle to still close bullishly, maybe with a wick rejecting inside. Then the next one, which will close around 1 p.m., which is the beginning of the opening of New York market, should close bearishly. Then you can look for a short position and short the market. I just gave you a head up, so you have nothing to do in the market between now and 1 p.m. West Africa time, so that you will allow the market to print what you are expecting from the market. Unless if you are an addicted scalper and you are good with what you do, you can scalp this long position here by judging this 4 hours that just closed now. Okay, then you can wait for market to pull back here, then pick you into the market. If you go to what do you call it, you go to 1 hour, you see the other block that you should be expecting market to come and pick you, maybe pick you from here. Yeah, pick you from here, and then you target your preferred risk to reward. Me, I like targeting 1:2. Yeah, targeting 1:2. But one thing I can assure you, this trade is a very high risk trade. Can it play out? The answer is yes. Okay, so wait for this pullback, join the trade, and then target it. This is a scalp position. This is a scalp trade, a buy scalp trade for a continuation, right? So don't be surprised, market can still come down. Take your SL before the continuation. That's why I told you that this trade is a very high risk trade, but you can make money out of it. But for me, I'm a very conservative trader. I like trading on confirmation, so I have to wait for market to play out before I take my actions, right? Yeah, so I just believe that I have been able to simplify this chart, and I have given you a head up of what you should look out for today. So the chart is still clean and very predictable. I know so many people have entered this short position already here, but I can assure you they will be manipulated. Their SL will be taken before market. Will market short from this zone? Definitely, this is a very strong zone that have sold the market before and is likely to sell it again for the second time. You understand? But the implication is today is Friday. I don't know if there is any news today coming up, high impact news coming up today. I will check later. So, but I can assure you, their SL will be manipulated because most of them have put their SL around this zone. Yeah, around this zone of 64,500, 64,600, and 64,800. I can assure you, market will come and clear all those liquidity before projecting a sell, right? So you have to be on confirmation before. So thank you guys. I believe so much this helps a lot, and there's a lot of clarification to this analysis. Okay, so if you're just watching, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on the notification, and follow us on all our social medias, and join all our social communities, so that you will be updated anytime we drop signals in all our community. Okay, so don't forget we are still partnering with Bybit. Bybit is our official exchange. Use my promo code BONGRADE27 so that you will be part of the exclusive rewards coming from Bybit. Okay, so guys, thank you so much. More updates will be given on that as we progress. Thank you so much. And remember, I will self Bongre and don't forget that Bongre is out. I will see you guys again in our next analysis tomorrow. Bye for now.